Now we are looking at yield farming, another way to make passive income. With here you can just swap. This is PancakeSwap interface. Then you look at the end side. You see liquidity farming. You can also stake here. I mean, there's also a platform for you to stake if you have been you see cake staking, syrup pools, and other stuff. So now it's all about providing liquidity for PancakeSwap. For the liquidity is all about funding for it. Now you have for USDT and wrapped ETH pair, you have up to 81% API, and this is PancakeSwap. So there is no choice, like there is no let's say trick about it. What you see is what you get. So this is one thing I like Pancake about. So you said USDC and CBTC, you know. So these are pairs that give very high rewards on the long run. So I'm not sure any bank can give you up to 100% USDE and USDT. No pair can give you up to 100% on this in a year. So it's just all about looking for a strong pair and checking the already existing volume on that pair, and why you should and why you should not, because some of these pairs now may cease to exist sometime, and it's not very advisable. So most times I use USDC and wet as wrapped it as my pair for it. So this is all about providing liquidity. When you see how to do it now, this is the pair. You get wrapped it, the same amount of wrapped it and the same amount of USDC, and you add liquidity, so you come here, you see add liquidity, so choose a token. This is it. Choose a token. So now let's say you have about 10,000, this is 100,000 USD. So it's 98. You have to provide the same amount of both figures. Let's say you have about 20,000 to stake. You put 10,000 for wrapped it and put 10,000 for USDC. So and now you get to receive it automatically pairs you directly to the pair you're supposed to use and the quantity you're supposed to use. So here you can actually edit the minimum price, what's per USD and all that stuff. Just allow it to the default settings. Most times those editings are not very nice, so you allow it like this, and when you're done, if you have the balance on your wallet, is going to reflect. So Uniswap also, you can provide liquidity, can explore on different pools that are available for you to play with and know the best one with the highest APR you can dive in. So this is USDC and ETH. You see, for the PancakeSwap, there is more APR there than here. So I think Pancake is better, but this one there is high volume, which means that one you just had about 4 million, because let's say this one is ETH and you have about a day volume of 133 million, which means people are actually doing something here. A lot of persons are here, and there is high TVL on all of these pairs. So this is actually a way to earn money by providing liquidity for the blockchain. You click on add liquidity, you choose a pair, and you go on with the transaction. But just know that there must be an equal proportion on the two sides. If you're using it, if you have $10, it's $10 for each of the sides, and then for the other side we have 86% APR. That's it is over 100%. And if you have 100k now, you should be getting about 80,000 at the end of the year. So it's fair. It's a good way to keep your money and stuff.